Beer struggle in Serbia. Very good. At the hotel. You always have to bring it with you. Women, they need their makeup, their eyelashes, liner and stuff. We men, we need our beard struggle. Beard products for the oil, for the beard, with the oil, for the beard. I can also do that. Go, a little bit for your eyebrows, a little bit for your beard. By now you all know how to use this. Rub it in the hair, in the beard. And then you're finished with your beard. You can get dressed, you can go out. So use my promo code Daki Savic for 10% discount. To get even more products on the beard struggle, order now, go to the webpage www.thebeardstruggle.com or check out the Instagram page. You're gonna see all the products, very good stuff, very good things for your beard. It's very nice. And this, you can get one of these if you want to also. Very beautiful.
Right, so I'm going to do a quick review on some new beard products I've been using from the Beard Struggle. Now, I've had a bit of a beard for years now. It's always been dead short. This is about as long as it's ever been. Main reason being, it's always been patchy. I get very dry skin underneath. So I've been using these products. This is the shampoo, the wash for your beard. I'm using it for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and definitely the beard's the best it can be. So, I'm going to wash my beard now. Shampoo, you'll need a couple of squirts of that. Lavers up really nicely, as you can see. A couple of little squirts. Get that lathered in. One of the best things about it, I've been using supermarket stuff for a number of years, and it's basically shite. It doesn't do anything. Wife's always complaining that it stinks. The beard smells dead musty. So I've been using this stuff, and it's a lot better. So I've got the conditioner now. Again, you really don't need a lot of this stuff. Work that into your beard nicely. And again now, normally I'd leave that on for a minute or two. But obviously doing this review, it's going to be a little bit shorter. So it gets in, normally as I say, I'd leave it on there for a little bit, but get that washed off. And so the fragrance I've got here is the Viking Storm. Smells really good. So again, no scrubbing on your beard, just nicely and gentle, dry it off. Really, as I say, the fragrances are really good. None of this musty, damp smell you get with a lot of supermarket crap. So we get that on, and then I purchased the ultimate pack. Comes with everything. You've got the Day Tonic beard oil. Again, a lot of people complain some of this stuff's more expensive, but you really don't need as much as you do with some of the supermarket shite. So get that oil for the day oil. Work that into the beard nicely. And then with the pack you get one of these combs. I use that, comb it the wrong way. Get that oil worked right through the beard. Get any knots and crap out of it. And then you get 2 different products here. You get a scruff balm, this one here, and you also get the beard balm. Now, I tend to alternate with these each day, so we get a bit of that. And again, like I keep saying, you really don't need a lot. A little bit of that. Rub it in, warm it up nicely, and then just work it through your beard. It's a lot healthier, so it's a lot shinier. And I just use a fine comb that through. And dead honest, my beard's never looked as good, never been as shiny. It's going to start growing a lot more. Now I've got some decent products on it. The one thing I haven't mentioned, which I use every night, is you get this night liquid as well. Whack that on at night, you don't need to comb it in. Just put a few drops of that in your beard. Keeps it nice and hydrated, looking nice and healthy. Guys, try this stuff, honestly. The Beard Struggle, really, really good quality products. Smell great, there's loads of fragrances. I'm going to try a few different ones. Can't recommend it highly enough. If you've got a beard, you want it to be nice and healthy, you've got to use this stuff, guys.
Hello Beard Struggle fans. I'm here showing off the products I use, usually before bed. Take a shower after work because I work in a warehouse. Get all dusty, and gross, sweaty. I use the beard wash. Right now I'm using the Ragnarok Finale. Sometimes if it's a little too unmanageable and knotty and all over the place, I'll use the conditioner. This is an older bottle. I don't use the conditioner too often, but when I do, it lasts quite a while, so I still have an old bottle. Looking forward to getting a new scent on that because the scents are awesome. Before bed, I'll throw on the Nighttime Elixir. Again, the Ragnarok Finale. It smells really good. Put that on before bed. Comb it out with my Beard Struggle comb. Comb it through. Get all the knots out after a shower. Get all the oil. Try to distribute it through evenly so it stays moist and throughout the night while I'm sleeping. And then the next day I'll get up. I don't wash it again. I'll just because the oil absorbed in, so I don't really need to give it another washing. But I will comb it out again because I get knotty in the middle of the night. Then I will put on the beard balm the next day. Right now I'm using Viking Storm. I also have the Freya's Bliss, which smells really good. This is my favorite so far. I think I'm gonna reorder that one soon because I like that one a lot. Put that on. Put through evenly. Get it underneath. Spread it out. Making funny faces. Calm it down because this can get really wild. I've only been growing it for a little over a year, and I never grew my beard out because it was always so itchy to grow. But these products, I don't know, I stumbled across them online. They really smell good, they feel good. I've tried other beard balms throughout growing and they were greasy and heavy, and it really felt I could feel it on there. Once this absorbs in, you can't even tell it's there, and you smell good. That's a big thing too. I really like the scents. I haven't found other beard balms that smell as good as the Beard Struggle. Anyway, that's my routine, and there you go. I get compliments on this all the time, which I'm shocked because I guess it looks better than I think it does. Anyway, what do you think? Thank you.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Dom checking in. It's the end of the night. Get ready to wind down. Use the last product of the night. So far, so good. Man, I love this stuff. It's amazing. But today was the beginning of the week for me. So pretty much, I used my beard wash today. Following that, I used a little bit of conditioner. All right, it's Monday. Knocked that out this morning. I used the Scruff Balm. This stuff is amazing. For you people that are just starting out, I recommend the Scruff Balm. It's amazing stuff. Oh yeah, I got the Viking Storm. It's one of the best smells. I love it personally. But I use this around like 1 o'clock. This is the Day Liquid Tonic. I use that during the day to pretty much keep my beard nice and moisturized. It's nice and straight, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to use it tonight. It's time to wind down. So what I do is just take a little bit of it. All right, I just pretty much put a couple drops on my beard. All right, rub it where it needs to go. I do is I rub that in. Just want to make sure you get every spot. All right, you don't want to miss no spots. I think it's very safe to put on the skin. And after I finish lathering it up, I'll take a couple more drops just to be sure I got everything. Put another like 5 drops. All right. Yeah. Pretty much finish that up like that. Keep that beard nice and moisturized when you sleep. So when you wake up, you're good to go. Still got that natural shine. Done with that. Take my beard comb it through. And I'm good to go. Time to go to bed. Yeah.